6 in the morning. Come on, Rooster. It's 6 in the morning. Well, I'm up. Let's give Chi-Chi a little knockaroo. Chi-Chi! What? Kion? Open up. You know I'm ready. Yeah. Let's go to our house. Oh, my breakfast. I gotta go get my breakfast. I'll go run back way. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Maybe peanuts. Want some peanuts? Sure. Oof. Get some water. I'm stuffed with peanuts. Me too. I'll save this for a little snack, maybe. You want to see how I reorganized my house? Sure. So here, in here, here's my flower pot right there, and here's my food and water bowl. So, yay! Oh, do you want to see how I reorganized my house? Sure. So I put my little, sleeping blanket. It's kind of hard to see because, yellow on top of yellow. But I think you can sort of see. Yeah, I can see it. It's hard to see though. There's a blanket in there, and so yeah, the blanket's in there, and I have my flute. So lock that up. So what do you want to do? I don't know. Be bored together. Sure. Let's play tag. I'm a cheetah. I'm a lion. Let me go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Come out wherever you are. If I find you, I get a tag. Come out wherever you are. I get the tag you. Tag you it. What? Woo! Hey! Win! I'm the queen of the hill. I'm the queen of the hill. Fine, Chi-Chi. You win. Thank you for letting me win. So, yay! Guys, it's starting to get nighttime. I think we should, there's a little storm coming in. I think we should. It's night. It's turning nighttime, guys. Whew. Let's go back home. There's still a little light, but not too much. So, oofy. I think there's some animal back in there. I know. Let me just get in my home. I'm just gonna get in my home. And hi guys, it's Jason Kelly here, and I just played Animal Jam. Guys, I don't think you should play the real game because someone told me they could hack into your system. So information. Yeah, and these do stack, but you need so you could have them like that, and then stack. And then stack like that. And then have another one, then stack like that. So yeah, I would have gotten 3, but yeah. So, as you said, I really enjoyed making videos for you, and as they said, Kion is a lion, and I named him from the Lion God. It does have the power of the wolf from the elders. The roar of the elders. Whatever. He leads the Lion God, and his real name is Lion, Lion. And he did have wings, that's why he has a hole in the back, but I just didn't. And the doors do open, but they're not the tiny little doors. You just have to open from the big. And as you saw, Chi-Chi was a bit fast and almost a bit stubborn. At the first of the movie, Kion was too. So here's Chi-Chi. She has beautiful markings. can see that. And she's giving me the puppy eyes, guys. Oh, please get me. I can have a sister, and if you have her, leave a comment down below. And tell me what you like about our video we made. I love making videos. And Kion and Chi-Chi are best friends forever. Hey, we're like sisters, not friends. You friends. Excuse me. Excuse you.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles. Ciao, amigo. Adios.